Finding the right walking cane isn't just about support. It's about regaining your freedom and confidence. But with so many options out there, how do you choose the one that won't let you down? I'm gonna count them down from number 6 all the way to the number 1 cane I'd recommend to my own family. I'll cover everything, the good, the bad, and the features you absolutely need to look for. So, if you're ready to find the perfect partner for your daily walks, stick around.
6. HurryCane Freedom Edition Foldable Walking Cane. You've probably seen this one everywhere. It's heavily advertised as America's #1 selling cane. And I'll admit, the concept is pretty clever. It's designed to be foldable, lightweight, and it has this unique 3-pronged base that's supposed to pivot and flex like an ankle, giving you stability on any surface, while also being able to stand on its own. On paper, it sounds like the perfect futuristic solution. When I first got it, I was impressed by how light it was and how easily it folded down. You can tuck it away in a bag without a second thought, which is a huge plus for anyone who travels or doesn't need a cane full time. The T-handle is also decently comfortable, and adjusting the height is straightforward. For moving around my house on flat hardwood floors, it felt fine. It does what a basic cane should do, and the fact that it can stand by itself next to you is genuinely convenient when you're at a checkout counter or sitting down at a cafe. But here's where things started to go downhill for me. The moment I took it outside onto a real-world sidewalk, the dream started to crumble a bit. That steady grip base, the one with the 3 little feet, well, it just didn't inspire a lot of confidence. On slightly uneven pavement, or even on a plush carpet, the pivoting action felt less like a stable flex and more like a wobble.
5. REHAND Walking Cane. This one caught my eye because it also offers a collapsible design, but those with a more traditional quad base for support, which immediately seemed like a step up in theory from the HurryCane's tripod design. The other feature they really highlight is the handle, which is made from a combination of hard polypropylene and softer TPR material, supposedly to give you both firm support and a comfortable grip. When I unboxed the REHAND, it felt sturdy enough. It's made of durable aluminum, and it snaps into place easily. The quad base definitely provides more points of contact with the ground than the HurryCane, which I appreciated. Adjusting it was simple, and it's designed to work for both right-handed and left-handed users, which is a thoughtful touch. The company claims the wider handle is designed to reduce palm fatigue, which is a common complaint with many canes. However, my experience with the handle was a bit mixed. I get what they were going for, but the blend of hard and soft materials just felt a little awkward in my hand. Instead of my palm settling into a naturally comfortable position, I felt like I was always conscious of the hard plastic sections. It wasn't exactly painful, but it wasn't the comfortable, secure grip I was hoping for, and I can see it becoming tiresome over a long walk. It's an interesting innovation, but it just didn't quite work for me personally.
4. HONEYBULL Walking Cane for Men and Women. The HONEYBULL is a fantastic all-around performer that gets so many things right. It's another foldable cane, but its design feels much more thoughtful and robust than the first 2 on our list. It features a self-standing pivot base, an incredibly comfortable handle, and a construction that just feels reliable from the moment you pick it up. The first thing I noticed was the handle. Unlike the REHAND, the ergonomic handle on the HONEYBULL is just perfect. It's soft but supportive, and it's shaped in a way that distributes your weight over the strongest part of the cane shaft. My hand felt secure and comfortable, and I never experienced any fatigue or pressure points even after using it for an extended period. This might seem like a small detail, but when you're relying on something all day, comfort is king, and HONEYBULL nailed it. The real star of the show, though, is the base.
It's a single, wide, non-slip rubber tip, but it's on a pivot joint that allows it to adapt to whatever surface you're on. As I walked, I could feel the base maintaining full contact with the ground, even on angled sidewalks or uneven grassy areas. A physical therapist who reviewed this cane noted that this pivot allows it to grip the ground much more effectively than a standard stiff cane tip, and I have to agree. It gives you a sense of sure-footedness that the HurryCane just can't match.
3. KINGGEAR F1 walking cane. And let me tell you, this was one of the most surprising experiences of my entire review process. On paper, this cane looks like a serious contender. It's an offset cane, which means the handle is positioned directly over the shaft to center your weight. And it comes with what's described as a large quad base for stability. It's lightweight and adjustable, and it seemed like it was designed for people who need serious support. I was genuinely excited to try this one. An offset handle combined with a quad base should theoretically be one of the most stable configurations you can get. The handle itself is made of a comfortable EVA foam, and the whole thing is light and easy to manage. The design principle is sound, and I was expecting to feel incredibly secure and planted while using it. But then I actually tried to lean on it. And folks, I was shocked. This has to be one of the wobbliest, most unstable canes I have ever used. It was so bad that I actually double-checked to make sure I had assembled it correctly. That large quad base gives no stability whatsoever. The moment I put any weight on the handle, the entire cane would shift and wobble unpredictably. It was like trying to balance on a cane made of jello. I found a video review from another user who had the exact same experience, and it validated everything I was feeling.
2. PELEGON adjustable walking cane. After the disaster that was the KINGGEAR, I'll admit I was feeling a bit skeptical about quad canes, but the PELEGON adjustable walking cane completely restored my faith. This is everything a quad cane should be: strong, stable, and incredibly confidence-inspiring. If your absolute top priority is stability, this is the cane you should be looking at. From the moment I stood it on the floor, the difference was night and day. The PELEGON has a large, wide, four-pronged base that plants itself on the ground and simply does not move. There is no wobble, no rocking, no hesitation. Whether on hardwood, carpet, or uneven concrete, this cane felt like an extension of the ground itself. It's designed specifically for extra balance and stability, and it delivers on that promise 110%. What's impressive is that it achieves this level of stability without being excessively heavy. It weighs just over 2 pounds, so it's still very manageable to lift and position with each step. It supports up to 300 pounds and has a huge height adjustment range from 29.5 all the way up to 38.4 inches, making it a great fit for both shorter and taller users. I even saw a review from a user who is 6'4" and 350 pounds who said it was tall enough for him, which is a great testament to its versatility. The ergonomic handle is also very well designed. It's comfortable to hold and minimizes strain on your hands and wrists, which is crucial for anyone using a cane for long periods.
Number 1. Medical King Walking Cane for men and women. This cane is special because it doesn't just focus on giving you support, it actually helps improve the way you walk. It's a brilliant blend of stability, comfort, and thoughtful ergonomic design that makes it the most complete package I've found. The standout feature of the Medical King cane is its revolutionary grip handle. Unlike traditional cane handles that can cause you to stoop or lean, this one is designed to be held in a way that encourages you to keep your posture straight and upright. It helps keep your back and shoulders properly aligned, reducing strain not just on your wrist, but on your entire body. After walking with it, I could genuinely feel a difference. I felt more balanced and my posture felt more natural, which is a huge benefit that no other cane on this list offered. But it's not just about the handle. This cane gets all the other fundamentals right too. It's incredibly sturdy and feels secure, with a special slip-resistant rubber tip that provides excellent traction. It's also highly adjustable,
with 10 different height settings ranging from 40 to 49 inches, ensuring a perfect customized fit for just about anyone. This level of customization is key to both comfort and safety. Despite its sturdy build, the medical King cane is also collapsible and lightweight, making it great for travel or storage. It folds down quickly and can be easily stored in a bag, so you get the best of both worlds: robust support when you need it, and convenient portability when you don't. Final thought. That's all for today, folks.